Me avisa. Hello everybody, I'm talking to you from Cayenne. I want to show you something that is going on with all of us and makeup. So you can see that we cannot be wearing lipstick, and sometimes we're going out with our friends, with our husband, and we're gonna go to a restaurant, then you come out, your makeup is done, but your lipstick is not. And I don't know, I feel kind of like naked without it. So let me show you. This is the pencil from Cayenne Beauty Bar. And I'll tell you, this is the lip liner, and it's very creamy, so that's why I like it so much. So I choose a kind of bright pink for fun, and I'm gonna see and show you what I do. So I'm going filling it up. And I finish. You see, I do my line and then I go in the middle. I chose this bright one so it can be showing better. And I like to pass it just to make sure because it's like a pen. And after that, I love my vitamin E. I don't know if anyone has this, but this is pure vitamin E and it contains 0 alcohol. So this will moisten your lips. I do this. Again, I want my lips to absorb the vitamin E because I really don't want to stain my mask. You wait a minute. With all the background noise. And then I put it on. If I wait a few minutes, you will see that my hands will not be able to, still they creamy, but you see my hands? It's not gonna stain my mask. So that's the beauty of it. I can do whatever I want and my lipstick will not stain this. So I hope you like this. Bye.